My friend unconscious, it's just an edible knife. Attach marshmallows to each other with edible glue. Make strips, and then connect them into a square. Put on a couple of sweet marshmallow layers more. I put the soft pillow under my friend's head. She regains consciousness, and the first thing she can notice is a sweet smell. A marshmallow pillow? It looks so tasty. It'll give you sweet dreams, unless we eat it before the night comes. It's hard to stay away from it. Books keep loads of secrets. In my case, the book keeps my money, too. I put it in between the pages so that no one can find it. Print pictures of dollar bills on rice paper. Cut off the excess. Redhead is already here. She found my paper safe. Money! Oops! It's counterfeit. The banknote has only one side. Oops! I've torn out the banknote. What should I do? And here is my friend coming. What will she say? It's her money. She bites off a piece of the banknote and takes a sip of tea. Well, then I will also taste it. Huh, it's nice. Pretty delicious. Who says money can't substitute food? They just don't know how to cook it. We can't do without a snack in our home cinema. The movie is so breathtaking that we eat all the snacks. In addition to this, my friend comes out of nowhere at the most inopportune moment. Once we finish chewing on a cookie, we start with gadgets. Heat Frutella candies in a microwave until the mass is smooth and soft. Put in black food coloring. Knead the mass wearing gloves. Roll the Frutella into a thin rope, which is of the same size as the cord. Cut off the excess. Attach plugs to the ends of the sweet cord. Make flat sides using a knife. Cover the metallic parts of the candy USB connectors with silver food coloring. I feel the cord and pull it into my mouth, biting the USB connector. My friend takes a mouse without looking at it. Melt a bar of chocolate in a double boiler. Pour hot chocolate into an egg mold. Smooth the surface and let it harden. Take the hardened chocolate out of the mold. Make lines that imitate buttons on a mouse with a modeling tool. Take a big pill of ascorbic acid and cut it in half. And make cuts around the rim. Cut out a rectangular hole for a scroll button using the modeling tool and insert half of the pill. If the whole movie is going to be so stressful, then we might be able to eat the entire computer. But thanks to the mouse and the cord, we have managed to calm down. Let's take up edible art. We will make a picture out of wafers. Print a funny picture on wafer paper. Lay out wafers to be of the same size as the picture. Cut off the excess. Attach the wafers to each other using edible glue. Fasten the wafer picture on top of the wafer base. Make a frame out of crunchy cookie sticks. Decorate it with strawberry chocolate drops. Put the picture on a shelf when it is ready. And everyone who passes by breaks off a piece of art to go with tea. Eating a masterpiece for dessert is a sign of good taste. Wonders happen in our bathroom sometimes. I come in to apply some cream, and my friend enters to have a bite of soap. Take the wafer layer off an ice cream bar. Smooth out the surface. Write soap with a sharp modeling tool and put the ice cream into a clean soap dish. I look at this unbelievable scene and I am totally shocked. If she eats some more, she will breathe out soap bubbles. Is there actually nothing more delicious in the fridge? I wonder what she will eat next. A shampoo cocktail? Or maybe a shower gel sauce? Did you like our edible ideas? Then write in your comments which edible thing you will cook to prank your friends. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new delicious and funny pranks on the Troom Troom channel.